Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. I am Masjid, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can allow your users to upload images, videos or audio in comments in WordPress. Here you can see I have allowed users to upload images. So to add same functionality on your WordPress website, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now we will install a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on add new. Now search DCO Comments Attachment plugin. As you can see the DCO Comments Attachment plugin, install it. After installation, click on activate plugin. Now your plugin was successfully activated. Now I will go to plugin settings. For this I will hover over settings and click on DCO Comment Attachment. Now the plugin settings was appeared. Now at the top you can see the maximum upload file size. I will change it to 30 MB. Now is attachment required? It means if checked, the user will not be able to post a comment without attaching an attachment. I will uncheck it. Embed attachment. If checked, the attachment is displayed as image, video or audio. Otherwise all the attachment will displayed as links to files. Now auto embed links in comments. I will check it. Now in next attachment image size, you can change the size. I will select default. Link thumbnail, I will not link them. Now enable multiple uploads. I will enable it. Combine image gallery, I will also enable it, and gallery image size. I will change its size to 150 by 150. Now next section is permissions, which means that which file type you allow your users to upload. Now I will disable all others like documents, spreadsheets, interactive text files, archives and force. I only allow my users to upload images, audios and videos. Now here I will also change the extensions. I will only allow JPG, JPEG, JPE, GIF, PNG and TIF to upload. For the audio I will only allow MP3 and M4A, and for the video I will only allow MP4, MPG, M4V and MKV to upload. Now scroll down. Who can upload attachment? I will enable all users. Now next is manually moderate comments with attachment. It means that if I checked it, all the comments with the attachment must be manually approved before they appear on site. I will enable it, and now I will save the changes. After saving the settings, I will go to posts and open this post. Now go to end of this post. Here you can see submit a comment form. Here you can see the choose a file button. I will add comment. Check it. Add a dummy name, dummy email and a dummy website. Now I will add an attachment. I will choose a file from my computer. I'll select this image and submit a comment. Now you have successfully submitted the comment. Now I will go back to my site. Now here you can see you have received a new comment. Go to comment section, and here you can see I have received a comments with text and image. Now when I approve it, I will go to post and view the post. Now scroll down to the end of post, and here you can see the comment will appear like that. That's how you can allow your users to upload images, videos or audios in comments in your WordPress blog. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe, and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about WordPress. Thanks for watching.